Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. This is Mark speaking. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thanks for the latest feedback and thanks for all the subscription. No, I really want you guys to subscribe. Even before you start watching, just click the subscription button. Double check, if you're subscribed. Ensure that you see subscribe. If you're not subscribed, you'll see it red. When you're subscribed, you see it in gray, just like my shirt here that I have on. No, this topic that I want to talk about is a very sensitive topic for females, especially females. And I wanted to do this topic so it can be engaging. People can, jump onto the channel and, share in our discussion and what we normally do here on the channel. So the question is, how do you feel about plastic surgery for women? Should plastic surgery be normalized in our society today? And when I say plastic surgery, I mean adding and reducing. Where adding is concerned, females adding more breasts, them adding the breasts or them adding the bottom, so them get the upper bottom kind of shape. The theme big bottom, like how black women have big bottom, we see everybody getting big bottom now. Whether it be Botox to the face, the regular plastic surgery stuff to enhance their physical feature. Are you for that? Are you against it? Are you in support of reduction, in the sense of should females reduce their breast size for various reasons, whether the appearance, they don't like the appearance, they don't like the way how it feel, it hurts. The main thing I realize with reduction is concerned is the fact that it hurts. A lot of females complain that they have back pain, and that is very serious. So are you for the enhancement of the female anatomy? I know I'm a guy, and it's probably not my place, but I like to have these discussions. I like to stir up the pot a little bit, and I love when I love get trouble. I love make trouble sometime, and this is my part of side coming out. I love get trouble sometime. It's good when you can start a conversation and people just jump on and argue cause agree, disagree, or whatever it is. Some just want to enjoy it. So I'm just going to give my take on it, and then you guys can leave your comment below. In detail, whatever it is, you agree with me or don't agree with me. So let me get into it. No, I don't like plastic surgery. Personally, I don't like plastic surgery. I'm more the natural type. I like females that are natural, like females with natural hair, without makeup. I guess I'm old fashioned. That is the things I like. I like a female that carry herself well, who embrace who she is and just accept who she is and just be herself and her natural personality come forth. I like that in a woman, but that is what I like. You see what I'm saying? No, for adding the bottom, I'm totally against that. I don't think I would date anybody that would add extra bottom. I don't see the sense in it, and some of them look very disgusting. I'm going to be blunt. A lot of it look very, very disgusting. You have this big old bottom and you're walking lopsided and you're twerking and you're shaking. It is not attractive to me at all. The breasts, adding more to your breasts and stuff like that is like, what are the side effects? Is it going to affect you when you have kids? Is it going to affect you producing breast milk? Is it safe? Because I've seen in videos where females do the bottom plastic surgery in the bottom, and then the silicone flip over, and then it look all weird. Smell like it. It look all weird. That's what I'm saying. So that does weird me out. That does freak me out completely. So I'm against that wholeheartedly. I'm against that completely. Stay natural, stay true to yourself. You don't need to add. You don't need to add anything to enhance who you are. Just be yourself. Yeah. Sorry. Yes. However, for the breast reduction aspect of it, I think one of the things you can look into is exercise, and I'm big on exercise. The reason I'm big on exercise is because it's healthy. It builds your immune system. It makes your organs stronger, your heart, your lungs, your kidney. When you exercise, a natural exercise, it helps to strengthen the muscles in the body. Doing push-ups, bench press, stuff like that. Females can do that too, and it actually helps to build the back muscles. So you have a range of exercise that you can do, can strengthen your back, tighten the muscles so you can actually carry that load, which is your lumptious breasts. Yes, so that can work. However, I know that a lot of females will say, Mark, you don't understand, you don't feel the pain, the breast reduction is necessary. And I do sympathize with females who I'm not 100% for the breast reduction. I can try to understand the reasoning behind it and understand pain, because everybody feel pain, and back pain and stuff like that, it's hard. So I can understand where that is concerned, where the back pain is concerned, because I've met and dated females that say they would want to get breast reduction. So I would more sympathize with females who want to, undertake breast reduction after, if I'm with that person and the person want to do it after I do research, in-depth research, like the side effects, how will it affect when you're pregnant, because I want kids, like legit, I want a few kids, I want a few kids. I don't want my wife to be affected by this procedure. I don't want her to hold on, let me turn on the light. I don't want her to be affected by this procedure. I don't want it to affect her possibility of breastfeeding or having problems when baby come about or having kids. So that is my main concern. It's like the side effects of it is like the side effects I that freaked me out completely. But I'm a guy, I might be rambling, I might be not making sense, I might, I've never done anything like that. So what I want you to do in the comment is leave your feedback. Tell me how you feel about it, both men and women, both gingerbread, jelly beans. As you know, gingerbread are the men, jelly beans are the women. I know a lot of my jelly bean, they'll come out swinging at my head. So I'm gonna cover my head from now. So in case you guys start swinging at my head. Don't swing too hard. But in the comment, let's have a discussion. Tell me how you feel about it. Tell me how you feel about the video. If you agree with me, if you don't agree with me, state why. Remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, please, guys. I'm close to 1,000 subscribers, and I don't just want to subscribe to my channel and then I want to do these videos and interact, and you guys can be entertained and learn and have a different view and stuff, and even read the comments and have a discussion and learn from other people, because that's what we're here for, to learn, continuously learn each and every day. So in the comment below, leave your comment. Tell me how you feel about the topic. Are you for women enhancing their body via plastic surgery? Are you against it? Are you okay with certain aspect of plastic surgery? Or you're not okay with that at all? You just like women natural as they are? Men, women, let me know how you feel as well. Would you do breast reduction, as that is one of the biggest issue that I see females having? So leave your comment below. Thanks for watching JVLOGS again. I really appreciate you guys very, very much, and I'll keep the videos coming, interesting topics coming, more topics coming. So keep tuned, stay tuned, guys. Lots of love, stay blessed, stay safe. I'm out.